Ayaw sumakay sa economy? PAL, inoferan si Vice Ganda na i-downgrade sa economy class para umabot sa flight. Nag-viral sa social media si Vice Ganda matapos biglang punahin ng Philippine Airlines or PAL matapos ireklamo ang abalang naranasan nila dahil sa overbooking issue sa flight na kanyang naibook. Noong October 25 si Vice na pauwi na sa Pilipinas ay tumawag sa PAL na sinasabing nawalan siya ng original na flight dahil fully booked na ito, kahit bumili din siya ng ticket para sa nasabing schedule. Mabilis na tinugunan ng PAL ang reklamong inilathala ni Vice na kilala bilang isa sa mga nangungunang celebrity endorser sa Pilipinas. Ilang beses humingi ng paumanhin ang airline kay Vice at ipinaliwanag na mabilis nilang inimbestigahan ang insidente at pinayagan pa nilang lumipad ang komedyante sa original nitong flight. Hi Vice! We sincerely apologize for the inconvenience you experienced during your flight from Bangkok to Manila. Please be assured that we are actively investigating the issue and are in close coordination with our team in Bangkok. We are committed to providing you with assistance and updates as soon as they become available. If you require any immediate assistance, please let us know. Thank you for your patience and understanding. Pagkatapos ay tinanggi ng PAL na may nangyaring overbooking incident at ipinaliwanag na ginawa lamang nila ang dalawang business class na upuan na hindi magagamit dahil sa safety reasons. Ibinunyag din nila na inalok nila si Vice na mag-downgrade sa economy class, ngunit tumanggi ang komedyante. First and foremost, we want to clarify that the flight was not overbooked, and we operate with the utmost commitment to safety. During pre-flight safety checks, 2 business class seats were identified as unserviceable due to safety concerns, rendering them unfit for passenger use. As a result, you were among the passengers offered a seat downgrade to economy class, a decision made to ensure safety and the operational integrity of the flight. We acknowledge that this may have been inconvenient and we extend our sincere apologies for any discomfort you experienced. We have received an update that eventually 2 alternative passengers were identified and agreed to accept the downgrade offer, allowing you to return to your originally booked business class seats. We appreciate your patience and cooperation during this situation. Gayunpaman, sinabi ni Vice na isa sa mga staff ng PAL ang nagsabi sa kanya na overbooked na ang flight. Hindi yan ang sinabi sa akin sa counter. Ang sabi ng staff, the flight was overbooked and my seat was given to another passenger. Magbato-batopik na lang kayo ng staff sa counter kung sino sa inyo ang palpak. Yung panalo, libre ko ng round-trip ticket via Cathay Pacific. Pahayag ni Vice Ganda mula sa kanyang X account.